Do you guys have the snack wrap? Hey guys, so super random way to start this vlog, and it's also like nighttime. But what's going on, everyone? So this is gonna be, I think, just like a few days in my life. After doing Bookmas for the last 12 days, I feel like I've been posting a lot of book content and stuff. And I was like, I feel like it'll be nice to come back after Bookmas with just like a regular vlog. Sorry, I'm putting my a nail on. But yeah, I thought just coming back from Vlogmas, it would be nice to do a regular old vlog. It's currently Saturday. I'm going to Long Beach to meet up with some of my bestie Westies, Christine, Rachel, and Jenny. I was a Laker girl with all three of them, and we remained best friends. So we try to meet up. We live all over Southern California, but we try to meet up like at least once a month. Sometimes we go a little longer. But I'm excited to meet up with them, and we're going to this paint and sip. But I think tonight it's like alcohol free, so it's not really the sip part, but I still think it's gonna be fun. And we're gonna do some painting. And then I think we're going somewhere after, I'm not sure. I don't know, we'll see what we get into. But I just wanted to start the vlog off here, and then we'll spend the next few days together. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I really, like, part of me wants to just sit home and read all day. This is the one thing with Vlogmas that I think is hard, especially for booktubers. Vlogging 12 days straight and editing and uploading and all that stuff takes so much time in itself. Part of your job is reading. And I feel like I didn't have enough time to get enough reading done in the first half of December because of Vlogmas. So now I feel like I'm just trying to catch up with all my reading and stuff. Reading Air Fire still, which I have been since literally December 1st, and it's like December 14th now. So I really want to get that done. I'm like almost to the halfway mark. But I also want to take maybe like a Pilates class tomorrow or something. We shall see what I get into tomorrow, but it's gonna be a fun night. I'll introduce you to my friends, and it's gonna be so cutesy. Gonna get dressed and then head over to Long Beach. It's gonna take me like an hour to get there. I think there's traffic right now, which is so annoying. It's like Saturday at 6 o'clock. Everyone go home. Okay, be back soon. Okay, here's the fit. Just something light. This sweater is from my old, yes, I'm watching High School Musical. Let's ignore. This sweater is so cute. The back of it I'm obsessed with, but I have a sports bra on. I'm scared it's gonna be showing, but like I truly don't think I care that much. I'm just trying to figure out what shoes I should wear. I was gonna do these black tall boots because I felt like that would be cute like underneath this, but I feel like black doesn't go with any of these colors. Let's get the shoes instead. These are the shoes. I like them because the heels are literally the smallest kitten heels. I hate the shoes with this. Okay, moving on. Okay, I gotta go. I'm getting overwhelmed. I'll be back. Okay, update. I changed the shirt. I think I like this way more. Kept the boots, changed the shirt. These jeans are a little bit big, but that's okay. Let me know if I should do this. Kind of want to wear a bow. I don't know why. Oh, the white bow looks good when I have the black on. Okay, let's put a bow on. Okay, running a little late, honestly. Not late, but there's more traffic than I expected. So we gotta go. I can't find my lipstick anywhere. Oh, I'm sad. It's okay, I might have one in here, and if not, I might have one in the car. We'll see. Bye. So I'm almost there. I'm like 5 minutes away, and it's always so nostalgic. I feel like my camera's gonna fall. It's always so nostalgic coming to Long Beach because I went to school in Long Beach at Cal State Long Beach, and it just feels like my old stomping grounds. I miss it, honestly. I don't come back that often. It's so cute. I love being in Long Beach. That's all I had to say. All right, I'll be there soon. I feel like parking's gonna be hard to find here though, because we're on Broadway, and that is a crazy street. Okay, I finally found a spot. Now we're walking to meet my cute little friends. Rachel and Christine are already there, so. Hey, gorgeous girls.
Hi. Wow, that's
so cute.
That's a really
Christine, looking good.
Yeah,
Let's
totally.
see Rachel's.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it so good?
Expectations versus reality.
Okay, don't do that.
No, I'm kidding. And of course, Jenny's is the best.
Oh my gosh. As I'm messing up and she's like having to remove it from that.
It's so good. Okay, let's find mine.
Okay.
We only have about 30 minutes, and this is what I'm trying to do. And this is what I have. Good luck, everybody. Okay, we just finished painting. I want to see everyone's painting. Okay? Let's see, Rachel, your final look.
Wow, it looks pretty good on camera.
It looks so good.
Good in person
oh my
too.
gosh. Christine. So cute. Christine's is my favorite, I think. Look at the Sorry. And Jenny's is just perfect, just like her. Cute.
What about yours?
So mine is not necessarily done at this time, but I will be back to finish it.
But what you did do is so good.
I did a little matchbook.
It's so good.
I know. I can't wait to finish it. I feel like it'll look good. Yeah.
Also, the matches look really stunning.
So cute. And Rachel got me the cutest little book nerd book.
So cute. Wait, I'm gonna.
Okay, you guys, I just left. Well, no, I didn't just leave. I've been driving for like an hour home, but I decided to stop at McDonald's because I heard that yesterday they came back out with the snack wrap, and now we need to see if it's here.
Will you be using your mobile app tonight?
No, thank you.
What would you like for your order?
Do you guys have the snack wrap?
The what?
The snack wrap?
What is that one? The McRib?
No. I heard that you guys brought back the like chicken snack wrap.
No, I don't think we have that one
No,
over here.
I'm gonna be so sad.
I don't know how it looked like too.
Oh, you don't even know what it is? Oh my goodness, it's so good. I'm so sad. Okay, it's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Have a good night.
You too. It's okay. Bye. I wish you could see my sweat. I'm literally not okay. That was a hard class. If you know F45, that was T10. Avoid T10 at all costs. That was crazy.
I dreamt about you last night. Woke up with tears running down and I asked why? Guess I'm dreaming about you all night. Thinking it's true. And I keep repeating the same sequence. Running cause I'm always seeing you. Going back to the moments I knew. You know that I'm reminiscing of the good collection of what we got in store. Funny that it happens only when we get distance between us. Oh, I see you giving up only when we get just a little bit of distance, just a little distance between us.
Okay, hi, I look crazy, so I'm gonna keep this brief. Yesterday you saw I did the little painting thing with my friends, and then I went to F45, cleaned up a little bit just now. Just took my shower and now I'm making something to eat. It's like the most random meal, but it's like some things I was craving. So I have the katapi, whatever that like pasta is that everyone's been looking for recently. Vodka sauce, and I just wanted like a vodka pasta. And yeah, that's really it. I look crazy, so that's the only update I'm gonna give you right now. Reading update, I've been reading Air of Fire. I'm more than halfway done. I'm hoping to finish it within like the next day or so. I have my hair wrapped up right now because I have it straightened and I didn't want it to get wet when I was in the shower. But because of my workout, it like sweat out a little bit like at the roots, so I just want to re-straighten that because I want to film some stuff tomorrow, so I'll do that after I eat. Hey girlies, watching Just Trust as per usual, but we'll pause that for a second so I can talk to you guys. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on in this vlog. We've been everywhere, we've done everything. I filmed, I haven't filmed, blah, 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 I don't even know. Right now it's gonna be Tuesday. I'm getting ready right now to film a few different book videos. I want to do some fun content for the new year for people that's resolution is to become a reader or to get more into reading, to read more books, whatever it is. So I'm going to do that. And then I also have some like TikTok ideas that I've saved. I always save like TikTok sounds and stuff when I feel like it can relate to something that I want to do. So I saved a few. I want to do some of those. I'm trying to post more on TikTok about book stuff. I feel like right now I have a lot of different kinds of videos on TikTok, and I think I can sprinkle in some of those. I want to market myself as like a strictly book talker. Oh, I'm starting a reading vlog where I try to finish my 2024 reading goal before the end of the year. So that reading vlog is gonna take over the next 2 weeks to film because I think I have like 5 books left to do. Actually, I should check that on my Goodreads and see. But yeah, I want to try to meet my reading goal, which is 50 books. So those are kind of the things that I'm interested in doing today. Oh my gosh, last night, this is so random. Last night I had a dream And in the dream, there was like a bunch of different things going on, and throughout today, I've been like remembering certain aspects of it. But the dream felt so real to the point where I didn't wake up until like 9:30 this morning. And like uninterrupted. I didn't even wake up in the middle of the night or like at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Like I slept straight through from when I went to sleep at like probably 12:30 till 9:30 in the morning, because my dream just felt so real. I think my body felt like it was already awake, but I woke up feeling so discombobulated because I was like, wait, what was true? What isn't? Okay, Goodreads goal. Okay, I'm currently at 44 books read. I'm trying to get to 50, so I have 6 books. I'm reading Air of Fire right now. I'm almost done with it. I've been making some good progress. I think I'm gonna finish that today, and then I'll have 5 books left. And I think I can do 5 books in 2 weeks. I have like 15 days or 14 days. Yeah, I think I can do 5 books. That's like 2.5 each week, which is normally how much I read. So if I really just like hunker down, I think I can do it. And that's really it. I'm just gonna do my makeup right now and then go and film those videos. And that's it. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It was just kind of like a random spend a few days with me, just so you can kind of see what I've been up to post Vlogmas, because I've missed you guys and want to show you everything that I'm doing. So hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't much of a book or reading video, but some of you guys said that you'd like to see more regular vlogs and just see what I do in my life. So let me know if you want more of that, but the reading content is coming back ASAP. Don't worry about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You got me going into overdrive.